Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffle toppings. We'll dive into a world of flavors, from classic fruit and syrup combinations to more adventurous savory options. Get ready to transform your ordinary waffles into extraordinary culinary delights with just a few simple steps and fresh ingredients. Let's get started on crafting some truly memorable breakfast experiences. For sweet waffle lovers, the possibilities are endless. Consider a vibrant mix of fresh berries, perhaps a half cup of sliced strawberries and a quarter cup of blueberries, for a burst of natural flavor. Drizzle with pure maple syrup or a warm homemade fruit compote. For an indulgent treat, add a generous dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. These simple additions make your waffles truly special. Don't limit your waffles to just sweet. Savory toppings open up a whole new world of breakfast and brunch. Imagine crispy fried chicken paired with a spicy honey drizzle, a truly satisfying combination. Or try a perfectly fried egg, 2 slices of creamy avocado, and a dash of everything bagel seasoning for a hearty meal. Smoked salmon with a dollop of cream cheese and fresh dill also makes for an elegant and flavorful choice. Elevate your waffles with homemade syrups and compotes. For a berry compote, simmer 1 cup of your favorite mixed berries with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a splash of lemon juice for about 10 minutes until thickened. A quick chocolate sauce can be made by melting half a cup of chocolate chips with a 1/4 cup of milk. These homemade additions are incredibly easy and add a fresh, personalized touch to any waffle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.